Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Okay, in the multiplication of algebraic expressions, today we are going to learn its two parts: multiplication of monomials and multiplication of polynomial by monomial. Here in the first part we are going to learn the multiplication of monomial by monomial. Okay, both will be the both or all the terms will be monomial. You know monomial means what? Monomials means the algebraic expression with single term, one term. Okay, so monomial multiplied by monomial. See here what to do. It's very simple. First of all, I'll tell you the difference between addition of algebraic addition and subtraction of algebraic expression and multiplication of algebraic expression. See, in addition and subtraction we added or subtracted only the terms which are like, correct, which are like term, that is the terms with same literal factor, same literal coefficient. Okay, but here in the multiplication we can multiply to multiply the two terms. There is no it is not necessary that they should be like. If they are like, then also okay. If they are unlike, then also okay. Understood? Remember this. We can multiply any terms, maybe like or unlike. Okay. Now see what to do. Here 3x multiplied by 5y. For examples, I am taking here 3x multiplied by 5y. See, both the terms 3x and 5y, both the terms are monomial. Understood? So how to multiply? First, now I am showing multiplication in detail, but while solving you have to use shortcut. Okay, I am showing you detail what to do. First, we have to multiply the numerical coefficient. Now which are numerical coefficients here? 3 and 5. So multiply numerical coefficients. Okay. Then secondly, we have to multiply literal coefficient x and y. X into y. Let us multiply. 3 5s are 15 multiplied by x into y. X into y becomes xy. Okay. Just the multiplication sign between them get disappear, xy. And remember, when xy is written, between them there is multiplication sign. Okay. So now 15 multiplied by xy is equal to, remove this multiplication sign, simply 15xy. 15 multiplied by xy is equal to 15xy. So obviously between 15 and xy there is multiplication sign, but we need not to write that. Okay. So 15xy is the answer of this product of this multiplication of these two monomials. Okay. What we have to do? First, multiply the numerical coefficient. Secondly, multiply the literal coefficient, and again combine the result. Here see 2a multiplied by 3b into 5c is equal to. So first multiply the numerical coefficient, 2 into 3 into 5 into literal coefficient a into b into c. So it becomes 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30 into a into b into c, abc. So now 30 into abc becomes 30 abc. Okay. Understood? Then here if you observe, the variables were different. Now see here, third example, a into a square. A into a square, variables are same. So how to multiply that? A multiplied by a square. Now do you remember such examples we have seen in the second chapter, exponent? When base are same and there is multiplication, what to do with the exponents? What to do with the powers? We add the exponent, correct? So to find the product of this a into a raised to 2, what to do? Simply write a here, base write as it is, keep as it is, and add the exponents. So a raised to 3. Understood? See here, a plus a plus a. See here, a plus a plus a, 3a. But a into a, it becomes a raised to 3. See this difference. A plus a plus a, that is 1a plus 1a plus 1a, total 3a, and a multiplied by a is, here students commit the mistake, a multiplied by a, they write 3a. So try to avoid such mistakes. A multiplied by a raised to 3, their exponents get added. Understood? Now see, 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3 into x raised to 4 into x raised to 5 into y raised to 2 into y. Okay, so how to do this? Here 3 and 3, these two bases are same, so 3 right here and add their exponents. Multiply by x, these are same variables, add their exponents. This 1, this x has exponent 1 plus 4 plus 5 into y raised to 2 plus 1, that is 3 raised to 5 into x raised to 10 into y raised to 3. So simply you can write that by removing this multiplication sign. You can write 3 raised to 5 x raised to 10 y raised to 3. Okay, understood? 3 raised to 5 x raised to 10 y raised to 3. So between them which sign is there? Multiplication, don't forget. X raised to 3 bracket raised to 4. This also rule we have seen in the exponent, right? Power of power. At that time base keep as it is and power gets multiplied. That is x raised to 4 3s are 12. Similarly this 2 raised to 5 raised to 3. So 2 keep as it is, 5 and 3 gets multiplied. That is 2 raised to 5 3s are 15. So such monomials you will get to see in the examples which when we are going to solve. Okay, so at that time you have to react in this way. This was about multiplication of monomial. Now see here, multiplication of polynomial by monomial. Multiplication of polynomial by monomial. Okay, see now. Polynomial is what? It will be in this way: a plus b plus c. Okay, or dot dot, unlimited terms, and it will be multiplied in any other monomial, only single term. So at that time, how to multiply this? Here we can use the distributive law. The terms in the bracket can be distributed with the term which is outside the bracket. So x into a becomes xa plus x into b xb or bx whatever plus x into c xc plus dot dot dot. Okay, so in this way we have to multiply monomial or polynomial by monomial using distributive law. See here, first example, find in bracket a plus b. So this is our polynomial and this is monomial. How to multiply? See, pay attention very carefully. We have solved such type of examples. What to do? First, see, in the bracket there are two terms, a and b, and this phi is multiplied to this bracket. That means phi is multiplied to both the terms of the bracket. Okay, so first we have to multiply first term of the bracket by phi, that is phi multiplied by a. Understood? Then write plus here. Now the second term of the bracket multiplied by phi, that is phi into b. Understood? So is equal to phi into a is equal to phi a plus phi into b is equal to phi b. Okay, in this way. Here see, minus x in bracket y minus 7z. So first we will multiply y by minus x. So minus x multiplied by y minus you can write here 7z multiplied by minus x. Okay, now minus x into y, minus x into y will be minus xy. You know, minus into plus minus, and minus z into minus x, minus z into minus x. First think about the sign, minus minus plus 7z into x, 7xz. Okay, this will be your answer. Here see, minus 5x into into multiply by in bracket x square plus 3x minus 7. So this polynomial multiply by this monomial. So here 3 terms are there in the bracket, so we have to multiply all the 3 terms by minus 5x. Keep this thing in mind. So what students do, they only multiply the first term and these 2 terms they do not multiply. Here they do the mistake. Don't do like this. Multiply all the 3 terms which are in the bracket by the monomial which is out of the bracket. So minus 5x into x square minus 5x into 3x minus 5x into minus 7. Okay. Now see here. Minus 5 and this x square has coefficient 1 which is invisible. Okay. When coefficient is 1 or if there is no coefficient only x is there, that means it has coefficient 1. Remember this. So minus 5 into 1 minus 5 x into x square. Now see here you have to use this term a into a square. Means bases are same and there is multiplication. What to do with the exponent? Gets added. So here exponent is 1 and here 2. X into x square becomes x cube. X into x square becomes x cube. Okay. Minus 5 threes are 15. See minus 5 into 3 minus 15 and x into x square. Then minus 5 into minus 7 plus 35 minus into minus plus and this x. Okay. So in this way we have to multiply the polynomial by monomial. Both the concepts I hope you have understood. Now we are going to solve the exercise 5b which is based on these concepts. Let us see now exercise 5b question number 1. In that first example is minus 3x square y by minus 5xy square. Actually we have to find here product. By means find the product. Okay. So minus 3x square y multiply by minus 5xy square. So let us write that first in the form of the product. Multiply by minus 5xy square. Okay. Now both are monomial, single term there. Okay. So how to multiply? First take their numerical coefficients in one box and then multiply by literal coefficient x square into this x into y square. Understood? So now see. Minus 3 into 5, minus gets plus. 5 3s are 15, correct? 15 into x square into x cube. X square into x cube. And y into y square, y cube. So together it is 15 x cube, y cube. Okay? Here see, if here in the literal coefficient, if there are 2 or 3 or more alphabets, try to arrange them at the end, try to arrange them into alphabetical order. Third example in this first question, third example. Second example you have to do by yourself. Minus 17 upon 8 x cube y cube, this is one monomial multiplied by minus 16 upon 51 x square y. Okay. So here also what we have to do, multiply first. In the first bracket multiply a numerical coefficient into x cube into x square here, then y square into y. Okay. Now see here. 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Now minus, both are negative, minus plus. Okay, 2 ones are 2 upon 3 ones are 3 into x cube into x square becomes x raised to the 5. Okay, into y square into y becomes y raised to the power 3, y cube. So together 2 upon 3 x raised to 5 y raised to 5. Okay, y raised to 3. Sorry. Understood? Now second question minus 2xy into, between these two brackets there is no sign, that means there is multiplication sign, remember this, into minus 3x cube y cube into minus 1 by 6 x square y 7. Okay, y 7, y raised to 7. Here also same, there are three monomials. Don't worry. First take numerical coefficient minus 1 by 6 into, then take x, variable x into y square into y 7. Okay, x into x cube into x square, then y into y square into y 7, y raised to the power 7. Now see, first see, minus into minus into minus, 3 times minus sign means answer you get minus 1. Here see, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Finish. Minus into minus into minus, minus 1 ones are 1, minus 1. X into x cube into x square becomes x, 3 plus 2 5 and 1 6, into y into y square into y raised to 7 becomes y raised to 10. Correct? Y raised to 10. So together combine the result. Minus 1 is there, that's why not need to write. X raised to 6, y raised to 10. This will be your answer. Understood? Now pause this video, 3 examples write in your notebook. Let us see the next example. Example number 4. Third one you have to solve. See, remember students, the examples which I am not taking here, you have to do it by yourself. Okay? See, example or question number 4. Minus 10 m square n raised to 6 into minus 20 m n raised to 15. Okay, for m is equal to 1.2 and n is equal to minus 1. So here they have given values of m and n, that is values of variables are given here. First we will simplify this and afterwards we will put the values of the given variables given here in the expression and we will find the value, actual value. So see here, first multiply numerical coefficient minus 20, then m square into m into n raised to 6 into n raised to 15. Okay, minus 10 into minus 20 becomes minus minus becomes plus, 10 into 20 becomes 200. Correct? Into m raised to 2 into m raised to 3, n raised to 6 into n raised to 15, n raised to 16 plus 6 plus 15, 21. Okay, that is 200 into, now put here value of m. What is value of m? 1.2. So 1.2 cube into n minus 1 raised to 21. That is 200 into 1.2 cube of 1.2, that is cube. First find the cube of 12, which is cube of 12 is 1728. Cube of 12 is 1728. And where you put the decimal point? Yes, here before 3 digits. Into minus 1 raised to 21. What will be the answer? Minus 1 raised to 21. See, when minus 1 has odd number as the power, its answer remains minus 1 itself. Okay, its value remains minus 1 itself. Okay. Okay, so see this 200 into 1.728 into minus 1. First we will multiply this by 200. 2 8s are 16. 1 will be carried, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 7s are 14. 4 will come down, 1 will be carried. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Okay, and this 2 zeros here. So decimal point before 3 digits here into minus 1. So it becomes minus 345.6. Okay, this is your answer. The next example number 5. Here it is multiplication of polynomial by monomial. So minus 4 into 5y plus 7. So it will be distributed as this way, minus 4 into 5y plus or minus 4 into 7 plus 7. That is not right this plus and then also okay. So minus 4 into 5y, 5 4s are 20, minus 20y, minus plus minus, minus 4 7s are 28. Okay, minus 20y, minus 28. Understood? The next, directly 12th one example I have taken. Remaining you have to do 100x multiplied by in bracket 0.01x minus 0.19yz. So see, 100x multiplied by 0.01x and plus 100x multiplied by minus 0.19yz. Okay. Now see here, 100 into 0.01. What will be the answer? 100 into 0.01. Its answer will be 1. See, 100 into 0.01. So that this decimal point will be shifted here after 1. 2 places towards right. Okay. So it will be 1. 1.00. That is 1. X into x, x square. Okay. And see this plus minus 100x into 0.19yz. So 100 into 0.19, 90 degree, because this when 0.19 will get multiplied with the 100, this decimal point will be shifted 2 places towards right. So it will become 90 x y. Here there is no more x into y into z become x y z. So 1x square, that is, if you don't write this one, then also it is present there. X square minus 19xyz. This is the final answer. Understood? Again, pause video. 3 examples. These 3 examples write in the notebook. Okay, and we will see few more examples. See now, example number 13. Simplify. X in bracket y minus z plus y in bracket z minus x plus z in bracket x minus y. Okay, so these polynomials you have to multiply the monomials which are outside the bracket. See, x into y, xy minus x into z, xz. Okay, plus y into z, yz, plus minus y into x, yx. That can be written as xy. Okay, plus z into x, xz, plus minus z into y, yz. Now see, now there is addition and subtraction. Let us find out the like terms, xy and this minus xy, plus xy and minus xy. Cut. Okay, minus xz plus xz, cut, 0, plus yz minus yz, 0. So what is the answer? 0, right? It's easy. 14th one you have to do by yourself. See here, in multiple choice, 15th question. See, what is 15th question? The degree of minus 1 by 20 x raised to 4 y raised to cube multiplied by minus 5 x raised to 7 y raised to 2 is. You have to find degree of this geometric expression, polynomial. So you know degree means what? Since it is polynomial with the 2 variables, so their degree means sum of the powers of the variable. Okay, since it is only one term, so the sum of, you have to find sum of all the powers of all the variable. That is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 7 14 and 2 16. 16 is the degree of this polynomial. Okay. Now see 16th one example, simplify. It is also MCQ. xy square into minus 2x into 3xy into minus 4x square y minus this 1 by 8x square into minus 24xy into minus 4 by 5x square into 15y cube. So here two parts are there. This is one part. There is my subtraction sign between them, and this is another expression. Okay. So first we will solve this, and this separate them, this separate them. Then after that we will subtract them. Hopefully we will get same literal factor, same literal coefficient to subtract. Okay. So see this. As usual, it has coefficient 1, that is 1 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 3 into minus 4. Here only multiply. Now don't go step by step. Try to multiply directly. 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24. Minus into minus becomes plus. X. This is x raised to 1, x raised to 1, x raised to 1, x raised to 2. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X raised to 5. How many y? Y raised to 2. So 2, 3 and 4. Y raised to 4. Understood? Minus, here see, 1 by 8 into 20 minus 24 into 4 upon 5 into 15. So see, 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Denominator got 3 fours are 12, 12 threes are 36, ones are 36. Now let us decide whether it is plus or minus. Minus, minus. So minus into minus plus 36. Now see literal factors x square. So x 2, here 1, 3, here 2. 3 plus 2, 5. X raised to 5, correct? And how many y are there? Y and y raised to 3 becomes y raised to 4. See here, x raised to 5, y raised to 4, x raised to 5, y raised to 4. That means these two are like terms, and since they are like terms, we can subtract them. So 24, x raised to 5, y raised to 4, minus into plus, minus 36, x raised to 5, y raised to 4. Now 24 minus 36 minus 12, x raised to 5, y raised to 4. Okay, this is subtraction, not multiplication. So like terms take to keep as it is and subtract only the coefficient, numerical coefficient. Okay, so minus 12, x raised to 5, y raised to 4. That is option number C. Try to multiply here only. Don't take it separately like we have solved the examples. Since there are multiple MCQs, so try to go by shortcut. Okay. So I hope today you have understood this concept, multiplication by monomial to monomial and polynomial to by monomial. Any doubt if you have, we will discuss during problem solving period. Till that, complete this whole exercise 5D. Okay.